to move to court immediately and get this stupid order vacated.
2 days after Speaker of Parliament Rebecca Kadaga indefinitely suspended all business in Parliament, protesting an interim order by Deputy Chief Justice Kavuma, the situation could normalize in a few days. This after a concerned Ugandan petition, the Constitutional Court lost interest in pursuing the case that set off a chain of events, including the suspension of parliamentary business.
We looked at the history of this nation. We looked at the perception and the friction between the three organs of government. And after that discussion, I formed an opinion, like I did in the first place. I decided to withdraw the constitutional petition.
Sabiiti, a lawyer with the Electoral Commission, petitioned the Constitutional Court challenging a move by Parliament to investigate the 6 billion shillings oil cash payout to some 42 government officials. On Monday, Justice Kavuma, who heads the Constitutional Court, issued an interim order barring Parliament, individuals, and other authorities from debating or investigating the so-called 6 billion shillings presidential handshake to the officials after Uganda won a landmark oil tax arbitration case in London, UK, against Tullow and Heritage Oil companies. I asked Sabiiti if he was pressured to withdraw the application, which led to the court order that angered the Speaker.
No, there's no force. You put a force on a lawyer. You put a force who competently went to court and secured an order.
Why would you meet the attorney?
No way.
One of Sabiiti's lawyers, Robert Rutaro, told NTV that the outcome of the court order had the effect of paralyzing the delivery of services to Ugandans.
We did not expect this matter to take the kind of turn it has taken.
On Wednesday evening, Sabiiti's other lawyers, led by Alex Chandia, went to Parliament and apologized to the Speaker and Ugandans for the disharmony the court order had caused in government. I asked the petitioner why he ran to court even before the beneficiaries of the presidential handshake.
My petition is not questioning the criteria. Wait, listen. It is not questioning the criteria. It is not questioning on who got. It is not questioning on the character. It is not questioning the mode. My petition is questioning an attempt to inquire into the executive authority by Parliament.
You're saying that the President is free to pick money and award or reward people, whoever, at any time they wish. Whose money would the President be using, and why shouldn't Parliament or any other person question on how that money has been appropriated?
Before you go to whose money, first look at the power of the authority. Why do you go to the end before you go to the beginning? What is the history? Then again, first understand, does the law provide for that? So when you begin saying return, you are going to begin now, people are going to be funny. They are going to say return the medals. Look at the public standing order. Cash bonuses are also provided.
A section of the public consider the court order to be hogwash. What do you partake of that?
That question you put to the person who said it, to give you more information on what a stupid order looks like. I don't know it.
The withdrawal of Sabiiti's application from the Constitutional Court means there is now nothing on the court record. The Attorney General does not have to take any action, and Parliament business can resume. But Sabiiti cautioned Parliament against interfering with the exercise of powers of the executive, or else he goes back to court to check the MPs.
If there is threat to assault, to interfere with the independence of the executive, and I want you to mark my word, by any person, by any authority, I or any other citizen or any person has the right to challenge that.
Have you learned any lessons from this very order that you sought from the Constitutional Court, that maybe in the future you might not have, or you might not trade in such an area of public importance?
We are now going to draw a line.
I then asked him if there are lessons learned from the oil cash court saga. It's not clear when the Speaker will call back Parliament and whether debate on the 6 billion shillings oil cash bonanza will take off. Sudhir Vyarhanga, NTV.